Brown derbies. No, not these ones. This isn't a shoe show. I'm talking about this brown derby. Welcome to Making Drinks to Drink, where we make drinks to drink. And we're not talking about horse racing either. We're talking about a whiskey cocktail. This cocktail dates back to the 1920s, 1930s, and it was the signature drink at the brown derby hat looking restaurant in Los Angeles, California. And that's really where its origins start. To make a brown derby, you need 2 ounces of bourbon, an ounce of grapefruit juice, and a ½ ounce of honey syrup. Let's get started. Start by getting that to start chilling. Now when you're making the brown derby, it has a lot of sugar, a lot of citrus in it. So if you have a higher proof bourbon, kind of like this one, this is a barrel proof. It's like 112 proof alcohol. I recommend that because you're gonna get the grapefruit, it's gonna hide the drink pretty well. So go for something with a little bit more bite. And then we will finish off with grapefruit peel twist. And there you have the brown derby. Doesn't look anything like those shoes. Hopefully it tastes better than shoes too. Ooh, yeah, definitely go with the higher proof bourbon because I have a hard time drinking that straight, and this is just smooth as butter. The grapefruit really masks the bite of that bourbon, and the honey gives it that sweetness. That is a fantastic drink. I recommend you make it. If you want to see more recipes, if you liked this recipe, make sure you like, subscribe, share. As always, hit that notification bell so that we can learn new recipes together. Thanks for joining. Like, subscribe. Yeah, I mean, you could really just drink that one